Yeah, we vlogging too. We just working all the way around.
Boys, I would love to say they go all the way if they were a consistent team.
That's history.
But they fold all the time.
I mean, but hey, the Cowboys have the defense now.
They have the yeah, I'm telling you. Trayvon Diggs is my guy, dude. Trayvon Diggs, Micah Parsons, those guys have been a godsend to our team.
Yeah. Hey, but they say defense wins championships.
That's true. And as long as we got all our people, as long as we got CeeDee Lamb, Amari Cooper, and Prescott comes to play, we should be good to go. Oh, you remember how headphones work?
2 and 4?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. 2 and 3.
Oh yeah, which reminds me, I'm gonna have to be on 4.
I was gonna say we don't go nowhere else with, so it sticks.
Good.
2 and 3. 2 and 3.
Yep, 2's gonna be the vocals, 3's gonna be the beat.
Why did I grab my keys?
Man, this guy, man.
What? I'm making all type of noise.
No, I get it, dude. Yeah, there's a couple songs where I'll hear the jingle. Like, damn, why not my keys on? There we go.
You running from them, I love that. I take that shit. This is the situation won't hold me back. There was reward you wanted. Giving a fold in my hand, I won't do that, homie.
All right. Looks like we're in.
Let's get it.
All right, let's start from the top. You ready?
Let's do it. LC, we the people, huh? It's TPV, huh? LC, we the people, huh? TPV, huh? LC, we the people, huh? Challenges, you running from them, but I love that. I take action. Risky situations can't hold me back. That was the reward at the end of the... Let me see it from the top. Actually, you can bring back at the top of the verse.
Okay. I want you to try to bring your phone a little. Try not to move your head too far away from the microphone.
That's what it was. That was I was trying to turn my mic up and.
Cool.
LC, we the people. Yeah. Look, challenges, you're running from them, but I love that. I take action. Risky situations won't hold me back. That was rewarded. That the race, I bet you called it. Giving a fold in my hand, I won't do that, homie. Smoking weed every day, straight to the face. Yes, I consume my life. Giving hope in these rhymes instead of nonsense. It's not a diss track, I'm just talking my shit. I found peace for myself, relief off my shoulders. Cut a lot of people out of my life, they say I'm phony. A selfish move on it, man, put to sum it up. I'm going like a rose in the concrete road. Always time doing nothing that's foolish. Only motivation I needed was those stoopies. With no goals, no morals, mind. Always not the fault, always quit to play the sequel. We gon' make $1 millions. LC, TPV, huh? Giving hope in our songs, we spreading love, huh? Smoking for the hopeless, representing the east side, south side. We don't bang now, we some niggas, y'all. LC, TPV, huh? Giving hope in these songs, we spreading love, huh? Smoking for the hopeless, representing the east side, south side. We don't bang now, we some niggas, y'all. LC, we the people,
I thought you wanted to record.
What'd you say?
I said I thought you wanted to record.
Yeah, I know. I got it. Don't worry.
You trying to get that back?
Yeah. Look, challenges, you running from them, but I love that. I take action. Risky situations won't hold me back. There was rewarded that the race, I bet you wanted. Giving a fold in my hand, I won't do that, homie. Smoking weed every day, straight to the face. Yes, I'm gonna take the bar this time.
Alright, bet.
So I'm a challenges, you running from them, but I love that. And then you just push me in. I take action. Risky situations won't hold me back. There was reward at the end of the race, I bet you wanted. Giving a fold in my hand, I won't do that, homie. We'll take it like that.
Okay. Sounds good.
So could you just give me a pause after I finish that line? I feel like you'll know when to pause it for me though.
For sure.
Drop me back in after that.
Got you.
TPV, huh? LC, we the people, huh? running from them, but I love that. Challenges, you running from them, but I love that. I take action, risky situations won't hold me back.
Bet.
Yeah, there we go. Challenges, you running from them, but I love that. I take action, risky situations won't hold me back. There was a reward at the end of the race, I bet you want it. Challenges, you running from them, but I love that. I take action, risky situations won't hold me back. There was a reward at the end of the race, I bet you want it. Giving up on my head, I won't do that, homie.
Here, let me do something real quick that's gonna make this way easier in Jello. Just it'll make it a little faster.
TVV on the camera.
Yeah.
Recorder.
A little bit of everything coming soon, man. Very, very soon. We got West on the board doing this. West on the board doing this thing.
Yes, sir. Are you ready?
I take action. Risky situations won't hold me down. There's a reward at the end of the race. I bet you want to give enough hold in my head. I won't do that, homie. I'm smoking weed every day, straight to the face.
Bet.
In the race, I bet you want to give enough hold in my head. I won't do that, homie. I'm smoking weed every day, straight to the face. Yes, I consume a lot of pockets, still on top of my game. Yeah. Won't do that, homie. I'm smoking weed every day, straight to the face. Yes, I consume a lot of pockets, still on top of my game. You been hoping to try to stand up that nonsense. Won't do that. Won't do that, homie. I'm smoking weed every day, straight to the face. Yes, I consume a lot of pockets, still on top of my game. You been hoping these rhymes to stand up that nonsense. Since I know this track, I'm gonna get my shit snipped.
Dope.
You just that line. I'm like,
Okay.
yeah, you been hoping these rhymes to stand up that nonsense. Since I know this track, I'm talking my shit snipped. Let me do it again.
You got it.
I'm smoking weed every day, straight to the face. Yes, I consume a lot of pockets, still on top of my game. Giving hope in these rhymes instead of that nonsense. It's not no diss track, I'm just talking my shit snipped.
Dope.
Consume a lot of pockets, still on top of my game. Giving hope in these rhymes instead of that nonsense. Not no diss track, I'm just talking my shit snipped. I found peace for myself, relief off my shoulders. Giving hope in these rhymes instead of that nonsense. Not no diss track, I'm just talking my shit stick. I found peace for myself, relief off my shoulders. I'm cutting people out of my life, they say that I'm phony. Let me do that one over.
Okay.
Track, I'm just talking my shit stick. I found peace for myself, relief off my shoulders. Cutting a lot of people out of my life, they say I'm phony.
You wanna hear that one?
Yeah. Track, I'm just talking my shit stick. I found peace for myself, relief off my shoulders. Cutting a lot of people out of my life, they say I'm phony. Yeah, let me do that over.
Okay.
Track, I'm just talking my shit stick. I found peace for myself, relief off my shoulders. Cutting people out of my life, they say that I'm phony. Track, I'm just talking my shit stick. I found peace for myself, relief off my shoulders.
He ain't find it. 2 and 3. 2 and 3.
Yeah, 2 is the vocals, 3 is the beat.
You're looking like a rookie in there, man. Come on.
You good. Alright, so I'll just start you midway through the hook. Okay. Give me a mic check real quick.
Radio Los Santos.
That works.
We need that.
Alright, here we go.
You can't steal that, though. That's copyright.
Spoken for the hopeless, representing east side, south side. We don't rain now, we the voice, y'all.
You said it once and we'll say it again. Spokesman for the hopeless, we're as real as it gets. Hear my words, see it seen, it's called imagery. These songs give my people hope and tranquility. I've been told can't rap, no flow. I'm a joke because of...
There it go. Now you need to punch in. You need to use my method right there. No, I like it. I like it. You're getting through it. You're getting through it.
Rolling
No ad effects. Trying to work on the sound here, man.
I call
him some sound here.
Every time in the studio, Mr. Extra. I always gotta add ad libs. Always, who does that? There's a rapper that
artists.
does that.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, mama rappers and shit, man.
Yeah.
LCs, man.
Wesley's gonna get us right. I'm telling you.
Lctpv, giving hope in our songs and spreading love, spoken for the hopeless, representing east side, south side. We gon' bang now, we the voice, yeah. Lctpv,
Yeah.
Hey, listen, a little bit of everything coming very soon. Shout out to everybody who's been streaming C. We love y'all, man. That's doing numbers.
Spokesman for the hopeless words, rulers
So,
it gets.
thank y'all, man. Check
And
out
my
the
words see you sing
YouTube
is called
footage we got
imagery.
played.
These songs give my people hope and tranquility. I've been told can't
Listen
rap,
to
no
this guy.
flow.
He's
I'm gonna
improving
become a
his
ghost,
flow.
all bubbles going from as I accomplish my goals, your lies keep growing soon enough. Wake up, Pinocchio. My abilities, you doubt, that's what fuels me. I've sacrificed so much, I fell unwillingly. I don't comprehend quoting, not my glossary. I'm TPV, the people's voice, undoubtedly. I'm not here for the fame, I'm here to make a change. Here for those who feel isolated and strange. I'm saving the kids that lost their will to live. Cause when I die, I know my impact will be long-lived.
Lctpv, giving hope in our songs and spreading love, spoken for the hopeless, representing
That shit gonna sound better than LC Anthem.
Yeah, see, I told you. Yeah. LC at the part 2. And for those who don't know, that's off the Wise Make EP, the first mixtape we did. And we performed that song. It's actually one of the trashiest songs we have. I'll admit it now. I love the song.
I hate it.
It's honestly trash now. So
LC,
this is part 2 though. It probably won't be LC Anthem.
It's TPV,
It'll probably be something else. Or maybe we'll call it LC Anthem. Drop a comment what you would title it. Give us a video like that this called. Whatever. We'll figure it out.
We're bored at the end of the race. How bad you
So, we just finished
I take action. Risky situations won't hold me down.
LCM Part 2.
At the end of the race. How bad you want it? Give enough hold in my
Finna,
hand. I won't do that, homie. I'm smoking weed every
go to the
day,
next
straight
track.
to the face. Yes, I could I love that. I take action. Risky situations won't hold me down. Joy and pain are like sunshine and rain. I pray for better days. Sing it to the world, live your life to the next. It comes to an end one day. So cherish these days, cherish these days. Joy and pain are like sunshine and rain. I pray for better days. Sing it to the world, live your life to the next. It comes to an end one day. Cherish these days, cherish these days. I keep some hidden pads on me, like drug dealers carry clock phones. I got to be ready at all times, man. Release the beats on them. Thinking these bad fiction, my shoes are show you. This life here is a true story. This is the verse part though. But they cherish these days, cherish these days. I keep some pen and pads on me, like drug.
Alright, let's go.
let's get it.
Joy and pain are like sunshine and rain. I pray for better days. Take it to the world, live your life to the next. It comes to an end one day. Cherish these days, cherish these days.
Wanna be about that life, well alright. Let's observe the possibilities that could take your life. Following your friends, not listening to your family. They can get you caught up, you be wanna pay that fee. Got some green, got some white, you getting paid tonight. You accumulate more than your average guy. It don't last long, I know homies that can tell you why. Some locked up, some can't. God caught, but if he's no snitch, fast against the wall, sticks to the high and save his own life. I could have easily told these past up, know my whole life. The outcomes to the decisions made me get right. By the graces of God, thankful to be alive. The people of his voice speaking his wisdom when I write. Say that, we'll do it again.
Okay.
Joy and pain are like sunshine and rain. I pray for better days. Sing it to the world, live your life to the next. It comes to an end one day. Cherish these days, cherish these days.
Let's get it. Get off your ass and go get it.
Don't sit it.
Boss like
Gotta get it. Yeah, that's that song.
and hand switches. We tipping in the egg with bad bitches. They showing cleavage. She coming over this evening. It's a big achievement. First man, squeezing. Now I'm leaving dick getting strong. Got her ass breathing. Enough with my shit. Oh,
that's this song.
You gotta say that.
We left off that because I wasn't in charge of the camera. But we are on. Yeah. And this one here, probably we have done it 7 times. I don't know. I'm just saying it. We've done it too many times, so we got to do it till we get it right. Lctpv.
Damn right. Alright, so you come in right after?
No, I think there's a hook.
I believe so.
Oh, there's a hook in there?
I think there's a chord.
Yep. That was a tough track for you, huh?
Freestyle's better. Freestyle's way better.
Y'all gonna hear that soon.
I don't give a fuck about this.
Do it right, but this motherfucking sister got me looking for strife. I'm trying to make it right. Why can't I live my life? This motherfucking sister got me looking for strife. I gotta change my life. I'm trying to do it right, but this motherfucking sister got me looking for strife.
Alright, so just as you guys, could probably imagine, this one isn't gonna sound as good as the other one. But
You're making it work, so that's what matters.
I'm trying to do it right, but this motherfucking sister got me looking for strife. I'm trying to make it right. Why can't I live my life? This motherfucking sister got me looking for strife.
like every time I heard it, I'm like, man, that tongue makes me feel
It
like
just
a
gives you
child
that-
again.
Get you that whole vibe.
Yeah, it does. Sure does.
See, it would have been bugging me until somebody who like knew what they were really talking about said something. Cause I know I'd be like, yeah, it sounds so familiar. Like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Yeah,
no one has actually pointed it out.
I'll show you exactly where that's from. Exactly where that's from.
We're wrapping it up. Yep, we're wrapping shit up. Look out for the footage dropping. Not quite. Yep. See, I knew it.
Yep. Yep, that's what I was saying the
hear
whole time. I was like, I was like, man, I know I've heard that shit somewhere.
We've
before.
got drum samples from Zelda.
Yeah.
That's tight. Shout out to Dream Life. G-J. Shout out to G-J Beats.
Yeah, I'm trying to know what sample Kitty got that from. I want some Zelda sound.
Yep, we've got some Zelda beats. If so, all of y'all think y'all cool rapping on those pots and pan beats, we've got a beat sample, some beat samples. Y'all don't know what we talking about, so y'all are the fans. Y'all just want to see us create this greatness. Yeah. And it's been a good session. As you can see, we still pen to the pad. We still writing. C3's in the Pittsburgh gear once again. From the house shoes. Dad slippers. You look like a DILF.
Please believe me.
Yep. We just murdered that. Y'all see the flames coming out of here? I know. We just killed that shit. Wes is finishing up some good old things. We're gonna get his social media so you guys can, follow him. Come spend some money. Come get your producing. Well,
Professional, man.
yeah, because that's what y'all really need. Y'all need some professionals behind you guys. And that's why we do this, to show y'all the process. Not too much, but yeah. So you guys can see we're not playing around. We're serious about this, so time to get some wings. Some wings, not wings. Some
We
wings.
10 minutes from the.
We 10 minutes away. He didn't looked it up.
You guys on the wing bucket?
Oh no, close enough. No, that's not close enough.
We're going to Frankie's.
Frankie's
Oh,
downtown.
Frankie's.
Yep.
Crazy story, man. We just somehow just ended up there.
After what concert? A Day to Remember? Attila.
Yeah, so we went to a concert.
It was either Attila or Day to
when y'all
Remember.
go to Day to Remember?
We went to a Day to Remember.
2019?
2019.
Yo, I was there for that.
Bruh. I knew I saw you before. See, I knew it.
Yeah, we went to the concert and we was hungry. We was starving.
Yeah, we literally walked the streets for a minute.
We were walking blocks.
Yep.
And then we just found this spot. I
Yep.
wanted some wings. Best wings I've ever had.
Nah, at first we got the mozzarella sticks. Nah, I think it was just the wings, right?
It was just the wings.
And then we got that pizza the second time.
Big ass pizza, man. Couldn't even finish it.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man.
Big pizza. It was a supreme pizza. Had all of it on it, man.
Yeah. Good old Frankie's,
And then
man.
what's crazy was we tried to come back. We didn't know what it was called.
Yeah, that's right.
We didn't know anything about it. We just knew. We just knew it was a bomb ass wing place.
Yeah, nah, I remembered how to get there.
Nah.
I was like, I feel like
you knew
it's
how to
on
get there.
this street.
So was it over there by Toyota Music Factory?
Yeah.
No, it's in downtown. This is downtown.
I'm out in the streets, connected with some true G's. I move with small, collect my tree and keep the peace. It's really dangerous.
It's funny though. It's great. It's great.
I'm telling you.
Everybody stomp my feet, east side of town, turn into a beast. I know them bags.
Wonder what we talking about? We talking about
I said.
the freestyle that me and Isaac did.
When I get out, I'm start digging these niggas.
Yeah, I don't know what he was talking
Like
about.
bar roll, they 10 deep. Everybody got a gun protection. Don't test this G.
And we did
Prove a
freestyle
test
for
to
y'all,
not
so
be a pussy.
probably
Walked
gonna
up
drop
in
it
the
on
floor,
SoundCloud.
never for nothing. Making something for nothing.
It was great. It's good still.
We ain't never stop hustling. We ain't out here for nothing. Making something from nothing.
Probably get, what's his name for it?
See the worst thing y'all ever seen from Lctpv is that I'm a lion battling. I'm a little nigga battling lion.
Good session. Good old session. I look crazy right now. I got crazy amount of bags on me. So, man, proud of you, man. You stepped it up, y'all. His flow has improved. The freestyle is crazy. That's what I can't wait for y'all to hear, because y'all gonna really get to hear his flow and expansion on that. But yeah, this is his water, by the way. I finished mine, but I'm about to throw it. And we finna go get some shout out and chill the fuck out for the rest of the evening. So shit,
City grew me. They say it's the burbs. That's absurd. Come right here, better watch your words. I see herbs rolling with hers. Affect your nerves. Are you concerned? Is it not a curb? We live on the curb, making serves. Fast money, that's the word. All money is. That's the terms. Give mama life she deserves. Find it Betty that got curves. There's beef who shot first. Living life that's easily disturbed.